We're the Nova Scotia Securities Commission. One of our mandates is to protect investors from investment fraud and scams. March is Fraud Prevention Month, and throughout the month, we'll be discussing some prevalent investment frauds and how investors can recognize them and protect themselves. Today we're looking at, what are boiler rooms? You may be familiar with boiler rooms if you've seen the movies The Wolf of Wall Street or the aptly titled Boiler Room. If you've seen either film, you'll know that boiler rooms amount to one big lie. Fraudsters running a boiler room steal people's money through an onslaught of unsolicited phone calls, emails, and text messages. Through these communication methods, they promote shares in a company that they say will soon be listed on a major stock exchange, such as the TSX or New York Stock Exchange. They'll typically promote a company in a sector receiving a lot of buzz in the news, business world, or on social media. For example, in the 90s, it was the dot-com boom when stock values of legitimate companies were exploding. Boiler rooms have also taken advantage of the buzz around the oil sector and the real estate market. Investors are sold the lie that once listed, the company's share value will skyrocket, and they can get in on the ground floor. There's one major catch though. The company doesn't exist. It's completely fake. It's all an elaborate ruse to separate people from their money. The scammers will go to extreme lengths to make the company appear real. This can include fake websites, fake news releases, fake phone numbers and office addresses, fake brochures, stationery, and promotional materials. They can be very convincing and look totally realistic, even though they're completely fake. By the time the investor realizes they've invested in a fake company, it's too late. The boiler room has taken all the money, closed up shop, and moved on. To avoid falling victim of a boiler room or other investment fraud, always remember the red flags of investment fraud. 1. You were promised a high return for low risk. There's no such thing as a low risk, high return investment. Number 2. You must act now. You're given no time to think it over and are pressured to invest now or never. Number 3. You're being given insider or secret information. How will you verify the secret information? If it truly is insider info, it could be illegal. Number 4. Is the investment legitimate? Can you find corroborating evidence from a credible source? Number 5. You're required to give direct payment to the investment seller. Once you hand over your money, a credit card, check, or even something like cryptocurrency to a fraudster, you'll likely never see it again. When you're dealing with people in the business of offering investments, always check their registration. Anyone selling and advising investments are required by law to be registered with their local securities regulator. You can check registration by going to www.arethéregistered.ca. And remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. To learn more about the Nova Scotia Securities Commission and other investor education topics, please visit our website at nssc.novascotia.ca and follow us on Twitter at NSS Commission.